Our Gilas team is gearing up for the FIBA Championship in August. Despite not experiencing snow in the Philippines, do you also believe that we have a Filipino qualifier in the 2014 Winter Olympics to do figure skating? Let us hear the details from Yana, our favorite lady jock.
Hi there, sports fans! Yana Dormitorio here once again, your favorite lady jock, and I'm back with loads of exciting news from the sports planet. Let us now talk about the standing of our national team, Gilas Pilipinas. The training period of the members of Gilas Pilipinas will be the determining factor to finalize the members of the team for the upcoming FIBA Championship later this year in Spain. According to Gilas coach Chot Reyes, there wouldn't be spare time to train new players for their team. They will start their training on August 1 to be able to maximize their time and be at the top during their competitions. In another sport, for the first time in Philippine history, a 17-year-old Filipino boy has qualified as a representative to the 2014 Olympic Winter Games in Sochi City, Russia. Michael Christian Martinez is the country's first ever figure skater to qualify to the Olympics. For a country who never experienced snow, Michael first started this sport in SM South Mall skating rink in Las Piñas City. Michael enjoyed 3 years of recreational skating where he learned amazing moves, then shifted to competitive skating. He flew with his mother to Colorado Springs in the US for better training for 1 month, where he is surrounded by national champions, world champions, and skaters. Joining different competitions, he became the undefeated champion at the Asian Junior Figure Skating Challenge from 2008 to 2011. He is also a gold medalist at the 2012 Crystal Skate Senior Level in Romania and also a bronze medalist at the 2013 Junior Grand Prix in Riga, Estonia. He was also the lone qualifier from Southeast Asia at the first Winter Youth Olympic Games in 2012. In addition to his lineup, he also won 7th place at the 2013 Nebelhorn Trophy in Germany, which is the qualifying event for the 2014 Winter Games. So good luck out there, Michael! We are rooting for you. Okay, my time is up, and yeah, I have to go now. See you again next week for another sports update here in Scoreboard. Bye!